Craft cocktails don't have to be complicated. Whether your favorite drink is a gin and tonic, Negroni, old-fashioned, Bloody Mary, Cuba Libre, dark and stormy, white Russian, Americano, or any number of other concoctions, the hybrid cocktail glass eliminates the fuss. Make it a single or a double, it's your call. The integrated measuring feature allows you to build a cocktail right in your glass while dialing in your pour just the way you like it. A workhorse for your home bar. Whether your favorite drink is shaken, stirred, blended or hot, the hybrid cocktail glass will keep your drink perfect to the last sip. Chill the glass, not your hand. Stash a few in the freezer, and always have a fresh glass ready. The double wall vacuum insulation provides maximum temperature control, prevents over-dilution, and keeps your hand cozy. The patent-pending hybrid cocktail glass is an impressive addition to your home bar, and the perfect complement to your cocktail creations. The end of watered-down drinks. The vacuum-insulated stainless steel base guards against diluting heat transfer to prevent watered-down drinks, and ensure your cocktail is perfect to the last sip. The vacuum-insulated design eliminates the need for a coaster, keeping your countertop dry and your hands happy. Security you can feel. This innovative co-molded polymer ring is embedded in the stainless steel base to ensure lifelong performance with no additional maintenance. The design securely protects the glass insert while in use and also releases the glass for easy cleaning. The ultra-durable, scratch-resistant graphics are kill-fired at 1040-1135F to ensure maximum adhesion and durability. The borosilicate glass insert is dishwasher safe. It's also easy to remove and more durable than traditional glass. The wide-rimmed glass accommodates your favorite cocktail ice, including large 2 cubes and spheres. Perfect feel. The ergonomic shape fits perfectly in your hand, and the weight has been optimized to feel as good as it looks. The metal finish is achieved through an advanced physical vapor deposition process. This is the same food-safe process used on many knives and utensils you see in the store. How do I choose the color options on my order? Before your order ships, you will receive a survey to confirm your address and finalize your order. During this process, you will be able to select the color combinations you would like for the steel base on your hybrid cocktail glasses. All hybrid cocktail glasses are individually packaged so you can mix and match. Fueled by a hunger to push the boundaries, we spent over 2,000 hours designing a new category of glassware. It's a marriage of technology, beauty and function. The design process involved dozens of prototypes and over 100 Canadian dollars iterations to create the product you see today.